In this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over a dog vest. I want y'all to check this out. You know, I got little Remo here, and I have him a collar here, but you know, I don't like walking a dog by a collar because you see what happens when you pull the collar, it pulls on their neck. So what I did, I ended up getting one of these little vests here. So this vest is gonna go around him, and then it gives you a little area right here for connecting on. This is a very high quality vest. Look at that stitching in the handle there, and there's reflective kind of coating all around there so it reflects, and it comes in a wide variety of colors. You have locks right here. I did adjust this. I did already walk him around with this. I took him for a walk around the neighborhood. He likes the thing. It takes him a minute to get used to it, but let me just go ahead and show you how well this thing will fit on him. You basically, the handle goes here on top, so it's gonna go around like this. This goes up under. I have already adjusted this for him, so I know it fits, and it's not tight at all on him. All the adjustments are here and here. You can see how this thing works. See how it gives you a handle. And then it's a quick release if I need to release it quickly. Underneath is a spot for like a hang tag or something like that. But yeah, there it is. When he gets a vest on, he gets it calms him down a lot because he gets real excited. And this kind of gives him like a little nice hug is what these things do. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the dog vest or cat vest, whatever size. Look at him. See, he's happy. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.